Okay, let's say you want to create a surface out of these three curves and you do a simple loft and you mirror this to the other side, then you will see that here is a crease in the middle, no matter how clean the loft was. And that's because plasticity doesn't have an information on how the transition should continue when you just use a curve like this. For helping plasticity, you can simply use an edge of this newly created sheet instead of the curve. Let's take this curve, deactivate it, and let's use this edge for the loftings. Select the first curve, the second curve, and then this edge of this sheet. Let's press loft. Now plasticity has something to work with. G1. Let's take this guy now and mirror it over along the x-axis. We get a result like this. There aren't any creases and you are good to go.